Good morning. My name is Fatima Plavan. Today I am talking about data privacy and security in IT. Article summary. The article highlights the growing importance of data privacy and security in the age of cloud, all and lot. Key focus: data privacy, data security, uh, technical include uh, encryption, access control, anonymization and tokenization. Link to model 2: IT governance. IT governance, its strategy with business goal and ensure risk management, use of structured encryption, AES and or RSA, access control system, ABAC or ABAC or RAAC. Data quality and privacy. Data quality, articles discuss data uh, masking, which ensure data utility, which protection sensitivity content. Data privacy, techniques like anonymization and personalization help protect PII. Regulatory compliance and cyber security measure. Regulatory compliance, article discuss implementation of GDPR and CCPA. Cyber security measures, encryption, multi-factor authorization, instruction dedication system, IDS. Challenge in implementation. Challenge outlined in the articles, constant evolution of cyber threats, complex dynamic regulation landscape, integration of emission technologies increases risks. Conclusion: the article reports module 2's key themes: IT governance, data quality and privacy, regulatory compliance, cyber security, redemption. And as digital grow, these principles become negotiable for organization resilience and trust. Reference: Nirgoyan et Taylor J. Hargoles, Advanced Data Protection Technology in the Area of Cloud and Journal of Digital Security and Privacy. Patel and Books, Encryption and Access Control, International Journal and Information Security. Thank you so much.